So as per the title, I'm going to be showing you how to make this Lego throwing knife. It's a dummy knife, can't really kill anybody. Here's the things you'll need if you want to build it yourself. Hey guys, so you'll need 3 technic pieces, that is 15 hole long. 4 of these technic pieces, which are 13 hold. 2 of these pieces, 8 of these, 2 of these, 4 of these. I just got stuck on in this one, so 2 of these, also 10 of these, and that's then what you'll need. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so if you want to start off, first you take 2 of these and put it in this, like this. Grab one of your yellow or your technic pieces and put it on, so this would line up with this. Then put on the other one. After that, you just put 2 of these right here and here. Then put that aside, we don't need that. Then we're just gonna put these in like a formation like this, and then put the other 2 on it. 1 and 2. Then grab your other 3 and do the same. Then when that's done, you have it look like this. Then you have 2 of these. Then you're gonna make these contraptions. So you get one of these, put a normal stud in, and then put another one on top. Do this one more time. Then you're just put these aside for now and grab one of this, put one of these on, 2 of these facing in the same direction like this, while leaving this one open. Do 1 more of these. Then you just put these on the black one like this on the end, and then put it like this. I'm gonna do this for this side too, the other side. Then we're gonna take this one and then put it on this one. This one and this one, so both sides. Then you're gonna put your 2 double sides studs in the corner ones. Then you put them on the end, there and there. Then you just put these in these 4 holes. Then you have your throwing knife. If you want to support me, you can like and subscribe down below if you want to support me. Bye.